Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. Guys, once again, Victoria is with you with a very thrilling and awesome, iconic project in the history of crypto. So, guys, today I describe you about very thrilling project which where you have to just fly to play this game, and this is very interesting game, guys. You want to do this, and you will invite your all of the family and persons at this awesome gaming platform. So guys, here I am talking about Block Air, the game where your crypto returns fly high. You have to fly just playing a game where you have to buy just passport NFTs, and then you can play this awesome and thrilling platform. So guys, before starting their video, I want to say that if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. So guys, let's start the review now. Here, as you can see on my screen, this is Block Air. As I have described you guys, I have placed all of the official links of Block Air website, their games, in my video description. You can click this and you can join. And before starting their further review, I want to say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So guys, here you can see that on my screen. Here you have to just fly high in crypto, and then you have to play. This is the basically game where you can get your rewards to 680% when you become a pilot and retire crypto rich. So guys, here you can see our total poll page out, and you can also check out our operating flights, which is about 95, and open seats, that is 512, and players. Here you can see that. So you have to just how it's work, how you have to play, how it's this game you have to work, guys. First one, you have to just purchase some flight tickets using your poll, and then you have to fly to virtual airports around the world, guys. Then you have to just status your player being upgraded after each flight when you complete. So you have to start as a passenger, and then you have to end with a pilot. So you can become a pilot, you can fly an airplane. So there is a flight number one, that's about passengers, and then we have to take an attendant. After that, you have to go our co-pilot in flight 3. And in step 3, what you have to do, you have to just completing one flight as a pilot retire, and then you have to claim your payout. And these games start all over purchasing our new flight tickets, guys, and then you will become a pilot. So you have to just congratulations on becoming your pilot. You have to just claim your payouts, guys. And here's I will explain you what is the Block Air and how does it work, how it is necessary to buy their NFTs to play, and how their tokens will work. So I will give you each and everything review about Block Air. Before there are further review, you have to must join our communities, our social medias account. Like this is our Telegram community. Here you can see that our total members. You have to join there, and guys, you have to must join our Twitter official account. What you have to do, as you can see that I'm following Block Air Twitter account. You have to must follow this, guys. This is basically Block Air Ultimate Fly to Earn game, and that's game 5 meets Daffy Play Fly Earn, and you have to discounted passport NFTs pre-sale is live. So you have to now must join. Here you can see that this is Fly to Earn FTE games that's on basically Polygon blockchain, and it's merged to the best of DeFi and GameFi guides players progress through different white levels to earn their cryptocurrency rewards in Po. So you have to just mint your passport NFTs during their discounted pre-sale. Their pre-sale is ready, so you have to must join this, guys. And guys, here I will introduce you. Here you can see that about all of the documents of Block Air. What is Block Air chain? What's it's about? Game here. What's their NFTs? There is each and everything detail is available in Block Air docs. And here you can see that all of our necessary each and every points of about Block Air in these documents. How you have to join? You have to. This is a basically innovative blockchain based game And guys, this is the core gameplay that revolves around progressing through a series of four fights. You have to just start like as a passenger, as I have tell you in start of the video. Then you have to flight a ticket NFT. Then you can co-pilot. Then you can take your pilot seats. You have to play here, and this is basically a community-driven aspect adds lots depth to gameplay. And guys, you have to just innovative fly to earn here. And guys, here you can check all of the our game mechanics. What is game mechanics? Mechanics: one ticket, four flights. How you can block your carrier path, and how you can easily get your started automatic levels. There is also a referral system where you can earn a reward, a commission by joining a new peoples by using your referral points. And guys, there is also a retire and cash outs will play for you. So this is the all of our game mechanics, guys. And here I can tell you about your earnings, how you can earn by joining block airs. So you have to just play a strategy, chosen flight type, and all of these are the guys our NFT informations, passports that you have to buy, and how you can buy. And you have to just use ERC 721 to buy able to fly with block air. This is our contract address. When you are buying, you have to check out this. You are using this address, guys. And here is also our rarities, where you can check out our passport rarities. This is the our referral system, guys, which you have to use. And you can earn 10% commission from every ticket by your friends if they buy by using your referral link, your referral code. So you have to must join this. And this is about our all of our tokens, guys. Here is all about our token details, and frequently fly program is also available. Here you can see there is also our detail about our flights over our flight types, buy tickets, our flight reader, our status, and how you can renew your NFTs, collecting NFTs. There will be a airport shop where will you give you a space of this. So guys, how you have to buy? You have to simply go on game.blockair.io. Then you have to simply connect your wallet like this. And then you have to connect your wallet like MetaMask. As you can see that I am also connecting my MetaMask wallet. And after connecting your MetaMask wallet, then you have to put their guys official contract address, as I will show you in I will show you here. You have to just copy this when you are buying. You have to just copy this, then you have back to there, and then you have to put in your wallet like MetaMask, and how much you want to their NFTs. You have to just put this, and you can easily buy, and you can fly, and you can play this game. So I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.